Good morning, everyone, and I hope you had a good weekend. And greetings from the train station. I'm trying this out. So this week, now that for this week, now that we have kind of shaken out, getting everything to work on Pace Commons, and it looks like everyone set up their profile and has an avatar, etc., and got the readings in place and have some kind of a cycle. We're going to set up a cycle of work that we're going to use for the next few weeks, and the cycle is going to be reading and responding. And so each week, starting this week, you'll get a series of readings to do, and then you'll also have a response. And you'll see that there's a format I want you to use, which would also mimic some good adolescent literacy and the content area practices about annotating and identifying having met the criteria for the responses. So take a look at that. The other thing that's happening is that you've now been set up into groups A through E. There's 6 of you in each group. Thanks for having a number of the students that divides easily by 6. And so then what's going to happen is you will post your responses to a group discussion by Thursday. Then the group leader, and you'll see, I provided links for these things. You'll see that the group leader will be responsible for doing something called a 3x3, which is to summarize and synthesize the responses from the group in a format that is, it's a screencast using no more than 3 slides and lasting no more than 3 minutes. And then each week, starting next week, I'll provide feedback to those 5 3x3s as well. So I think that you'll find this work really interesting. I think it will set us into a routine that we can use, and I think, and I hope, and I intend that this becomes something that you consider, this kind of cycle is something you consider using with your students. So check out below for the detailed instructions, and let's see how this goes. As always, if you need anything, just shout, and we'll talk soon. Take care.